Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepika. In this video, I'm going to be listing down the new rules and regulations laid by the IRCTC in resuming its passenger services post the COVID-19 lockdown. As we all know, the Indian Railway Services is set to resume its services from tomorrow, that is May 12, 2020. Here's what you need to know about the new rules. All trains start from New Delhi to 15 different destinations across India with limited stoppages. So please do ensure that your station is accessible because not all the stations are accessible unlike before. Second is that all your ticket bookings have to be done online because no ticket counter across any railway station is set to open. So if at all you're going to travel, please do ensure that you're having an online ticket with you. Third is that your e-ticket has to be confirmed because no RAC is going to be there. That is no reservation against cancellation. So if at all there is going to be a cancellation, 50% of the ticket fare is gone and the seat booked is booked. So reserved seat is reserved without the cancellation. And the fourth one is all the trains will have AC coaches, but the ventilation is set for fresh air, so the temperature will be a little higher there in the AC coaches unlike before. The next is that no tackle booking is provided. If your people are traveling, please do ensure that all your tickets are booked well in advance and your travel is planned well in advance, because tackle ticket booking just prior to your travel is not allowed anymore. Passengers need to wear masks and they need to use hand sanitizers. All passengers need to undergo thermal screening before boarding the trains upon arrival as well as departure as well. So it is advised for all the passengers to be present in the railway stations at least 90 minutes in advance so that you can undergo the thermal screening process. And the main thing is that only if you pass the thermal screening process you can travel by the train, otherwise you cannot. If you are being detected with any symptoms of the coronavirus or any temperature raise, you will not be allowed to travel even though you have booked the train tickets. To ensure social distancing, not all the seats are available for booking. Only alternative seats can be reserved to ensure safety, security, and social hygiene. Ticket fare will not include catering charges, bed sheets and pillows and drinking water. So it is always advised for the passengers to carry their own bed sheets, pillows, food and drinking water. But there will be a limited supply of food and drinking water under payment basis. But it's always advisable for passengers to carry their own bed sheets, pillows, food and drinking water so that the virus cannot spread easily. Separate entry and exit gates will be maintained across all the railway stations in India so that passengers do not have to move face to face. So this can also reduce the spread of the virus. Having listed about all these points on the partial reopening of the Indian railways, India is set to give a comeback. So now it is with us to be socially responsible in maintaining and following these rules and regulations while traveling. Otherwise, so much of efforts taken by so many people and in so many days will go wasted. We should not let that happen in spreading the coronavirus anymore. So please do ensure social distancing when you're traveling by train. Thanks for watching this video. Happy and safe journey to all who are traveling. Good day. Bye-bye.